Hello ladies, hello gentlemen, welcome to a vlog that is a vlog and a e-vlog. There's 3 layers to this shit. Hopefully everybody's doing alright, because I sure am. It happens to be a day of a Friday, I guess you could say, and I was just chilling with my mama and my sister, and now I am pretty much done for the day. The world is my oyster once again. I ain't got to do nothing. I ain't got to do nothing. And here I am. I'm just cruising. I don't know what's going on over here. Is there like are they stopping traffic going this way? I don't think so, but I do think they're shooting some sort of a movie. Usually when you see these trucks in little pavilions like that, they're shooting some sort of a movie. I'm sure the movie is fucking sick and it's gonna be well worth it. Good job. So what am I gonna do today on this gorgeous Friday night? Great question. Thank you for asking. Oh, look at that fucking pothole. What am I gonna do? I don't know. I really don't know. Probably just gonna relax. It's probably gonna be something like this ride, where it's not gonna be this and it's not gonna be that. You know, just some basic shit. I'm probably gonna go to Dirty Billy, bullshit over there. But then I'm gonna watch some Formula 1. Ooh, look at this machine. Gonna watch some Formula 1. Formula 1. What is happening? I'm sorry, guys. Nobody knows. Long story short, you know, some days I turn on the camera and I know what it is that I'm gonna yap about, and other days I have no idea. And this is one of those days where I really don't have any idea. I don't have my speech prepared. So one thing though, my buddy Bird is gonna be fucking pissed. I borrowed his gloves for like a fucking month now, and I've used them at least twice, so I bet he's gonna be like, damn son, now you owe me a new pair of gloves. Which, you know, fuck it, I'll get him a new pair of gloves if he wants. Hey lady, you just kicked a piece of pizza, what's up with that, you savage? This bike feels really good with no hands. I'll tell you. It really is a good handling machine. It's very well balanced. Like left to right balance is perfect. So that's why I constantly take my hands off the bars like a stupid idiota. Because it's not that serious and it's not that important. You know, keep your goddamn hands on the goddamn bars, you son of a potato. Look at this. No hands once again. No hands here, no hands there. That kid was looking at me and I totally pointed at him. That's funny. That's funny. Okay, I'm gonna get past these people here because I do not believe that their plan is to turn. I think their plan is to dilly or dally or something. Hard to tell. Nope. Here we are. Why am I so aggressive today in the throttle? I don't know. And there's salt and there's snow and I keep taking my hands off the bars because I'm just looking for trouble. But anyway, awkward vlog as always. Nothing new. Snow, salt, crap, grossness. I got my jacket conditioned yesterday and it's already dirty, you know. It's just, this is the life I live. YOLO. And I will talk to you guys later.